Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how easily you can build MCP servers. For that, I have built this QuickMCP SDK. I have removed all the complexity of MCPs. So no anyone can build MCP server easily using AI. So let me first show you the capability of this SDK. It is simple, high performance, and you can easily start with it. Just install npm QuickMCP SDK, and then this is just 5 lines of code. You can build any MCP server. I have also added the HTTP server. You can create remote server, or you can also create studio servers. It has also authentication and security, so you can add auth and security to your MCPs. And you can also check real-time metrics, and you can also check performance and optimization of your MCP servers. It has also some examples. If you want to see, you can also check that. So why use this MCP server? Because it's very easy to set up. You can just create using this MCP server, and you can just add tool like this, and you can add any resource like this. And now let me show you how easily you can build MCP server. I have added this llm.md, but before that, if you want to read any docs, I have also created the docs here, and here are all the examples. If you want to see, just click on examples, and you can see all the examples I have created using this MCP. This is the calculator example. Let me show you how easy it is to build MCP server now. And this is the file system. Let me also show you this. In this example, we will this MCP server, but with the help of AI. Now let me click on this llm.md. This is the full guide for LLM how to use this SDK and build MCP servers. So now let me copy this. Just click on here, copy. I will create empty folder here. No, and nothing. So let me click quick MCP SDK and paste that here. That's it. Now I am using client. You can use any one of your choice, like Cursor, Cloud Code, Windsurf, Kiro, or any one of that. So I will tell use the quick MCP and let's build file system MCP server. That's it, and just hit enter. Now it will go and read this file, and then it will start creating MCP server for us. Let's wait for it. Client is little bit slow, so it's better to use any other provider like Cursor, Windsurf, or Cloud Code. Now it is thinking. It is asking me what feature you want to add. We want all tools, and we want studio. There are two types of MCP server: remote server and local server. Studio server you can publish on npm, and remote you can host like APIs on your hosting provider. So we will build local MCP, and if needed we will publish it. So we want studio and just hit enter. Now it will go and start creating file for us. While it is working, we can wait for it. Let's run it so it can install all the packages. Let's wait for it. So all the packages should be installed. Let's wait for installation. You can build any type of MCP server using this SDK. This is the simplest and easiest way to build MCP server now. Now it will start creating the file for it. It will create only one file. If you ask the AI to create multiple files and separate into tools, it will also do that, but this is testing. At this time it is only creating one file. So if you want to separate your file, you can ask the AI to split the file into tools, utils, libraries, etc. It's totally on you. So let's wait until it's finished. After that, we will test this MCP server live with the client. Okay, it's done. Now it will create the readme file where it will add instruction for us to how to use this MCP server. It has made some error, so let's wait until it fix this error. I don't mention that use TypeScript, so that's why. If you want, you can also use TypeScript. The MCP SDK is in TypeScript. Now all error are gone. Now it will start creating the readme file. After that, we can test this MCP server. Let's wait for it. And it's done. Now let's open the readme file. Open preview. And this is how we can use this. Just copy this command. We don't need to run and just paste it here. So we can add the path. Just right click and copy path and add path here. Now we will change this to /. And now let's copy it. Control A, Control X. Go to MCP servers. Add new MCP. Configure MCP. And we will add our new MCP server here. Okay, canvas. And just add it here. Okay. Let's add this. And save. Okay, let's wait for it. And you can see our new MCP server is showing here. Now we can test this MCP server. Okay, now use this MCP server and read this. We can give any folder path. Let me give this my latest project about wipe coding. I'm working on it. When it's ready, I will also share that. Okay, I missed this /. It has added that. Now let's refresh it. It's done. And now let's test this MCP server. New chat. Let's copy this. Use file system MCP server and read the files here. Let me try it again. You can use this MCP server with Cloud Code, Client, Raw Code, Kilo Code, or Cloud Desktop or ChatGPT Desktop. You can use it anywhere. Okay, it's again calling the list directory, approve it, and it's done. Now it will read the file, approve, done. Now it will go one by one and read all the files. So our MCP server is working. Done. So this is how you can create MCP server easily using this SDK. Now let me show you one last tool call. So it will read file, approve, and done. Now I will stop it here. Now if you like this video, start this repo and leave a like. And if you have any questions and if you want to know anything about this MCP, you can ask me in comment section. And now if you want to contribute to this MCP server, your contribution are welcome. This is under MIT license. And I have already mentioned each and everything about this MCP server here. So if you want to read, you can also read that. And if you want to read docs, I have also added the docs here. You can also read that. This is our architecture for this MCP server. I hope this video teaches you something new. So if you find this video helpful, start the repo and like the video and share with others who need it. Thank you. I will meet you in next video. Till then, good luck.